Welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review another product, that is German R10. So if you are curious to know about this product, watch the video till the end and you will get the detailed information regarding this product. German R10 is actually newly launched monitor designed with advanced feature to enhance the golfing experience. R10 is slightly different from its predecessor as G80, as it works as a GPS gadget with ball tracking matrices. Moreover, the German R10 is designed for golfers who want to take golf to another level. Since it works as GPS device, it can use for any occasion and not only for practice session. So the pros of German 10 is that it is advanced launch monitor for pro grade players. It has water resistance, works as GPS device for golfer, long lasting battery timings, over 400 virtual courses to enjoy playing, record videos for excellent replay session. Negative point of German R10 is that overly priced than its predecessor, works only with decided German Golf app, and you need a smartphone to enjoy its feature while golfing. So the question is German R10 legit or a scam? So before buying any product, you are supposed to check out the legitimacy of this website. So the seller was commenced in October 1989 and hence it seems legit, but not a scam. And we have not found German R10 review on quality and performance, but we found some comments online and the majority of comments are favorable. Many people appreciated the product after looking the evaluation. Moreover, Germany is the multinational technology company which branches in America and United Kingdoms, and the brand has many other products like GPS devices for sports, marine, aviation, automobiles, and outdoor activities. So the products seem legit. However, it is suggested that as a buyer you must evaluate the legitimacy of the e-commerce website from where they are planning to buy German R10 launch monitor. So in the conclusion, we can say that German R10 is a newly introduced launch product from a popular brand specializing in GPS technology. The product is presently not available for sale and it is available for pre-order on some selected websites. So if you are interested in buying the launch monitor, ensure to evaluate it properly and check out the customer reviews and make a wise decision, or wait till you can find unbiased reviews from the customer available online, so may you not get scammed from any shopping place.